December 18th, 2022. One I just got through finished up for my cousin, Miss Laverne. Dropped this bad boy off at the house. Get that money. So this one here is in the bag, y'all. I got some before and after pictures. I'm gonna get up in the morning, clean it up, polish it up as much as I can. Man, this thing was wrecked in the front, and airbag busted out and all that. We brought it back to life, man. She gonna be happy. I'm pleased with it. It took us a little bit of time, but we took our time on it. It took us close to it. We got a Thanksgiving, last Thanksgiving. Maybe it took about a year. We just took our time on it. She wasn't no hurry. But we got it there. 98 Grand Marquis. Baby, look nice from the showroom floor. Well, I ain't gonna say from the showroom because we still got some issues. But